Hello, everybody. I am Yolanda Marie. There has been little sleep this week. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know how many of you might be experiencing this, but I am wide awake somehow after staying up for almost 24 hours and having maybe 3 hours of sleep. Something insane. I don't really know. I'm not really keeping track of the hours per se, but this is close enough, okay? All right, so just let us know down below how you're feeling, how you're doing. Take care of yourself during these transitions because you are going through them. You might be handling it easier than somebody else, but you are up-leveling if you are tuning into this in some way. You are being guided toward further expansion. And so this is what the Arcturians want to talk about right now, okay? If you are seeing hiccups in your world, they're saying, this is because your reality is lifting. This is how they put it, okay? Your reality is lifting or separating from a totally different reality. Two realities are separating from each other. This is happening purely due to the quantum fluctuations caused by your minute shifts in consciousness. So this is you. You're having these shifts in consciousness, which are very small on their own, right? So minute. But there are many of them. And you may have the quantum leap style large shifts as well. Those are also happening, okay? And so that is also going to have a different type of effect. Do you remember we talked about those portals of ascension that we have created for ourselves? So we have this window within which to expand while these two realities are separated. We've talked about this before. So with this Lion's Gate energy, this new moon, before that, the full moon, each time we have another astrological event, if you will. And they're not large astrological events in themselves, but they are largely energetic in nature in a way that they have not been, say, 5 years ago. Okay, you're probably feeling this. And so you're experiencing these quantum fluctuations, which are caused by your own minute is the word they use. So they mean small shifts in consciousness, which although they are small on their own, they're actually altogether very large. Magnanimous is the word that they've used. So the Arcturians are showing me also a completely different way to look at this, or rather it's sort of flipped upside down, okay? The way that they're showing me is as if a new layer of reality is actually being dropped down on top of what you have viewed prior to these events, okay? As your current reality. Actually, several of these in smaller increments, really. This is what they're showing me, okay? Another way to see this. So I'm going to quote them here, okay? Imagine if you were fitting a mold over the top of an older model of something. Anything. It could be a shower, floors, a different rooftop, whatever, anything, okay? So you're fitting this mold on top of it. And as you are doing this, the original pieces of what used to be underneath this, instead of remaining hidden under there, which they would, they simply cease to exist as they were. Now, of course, this doesn't have to disappear for everyone on the planet right away, but it is disappearing for you. That is what these consciousness shifts are creating, are doing. They are supplanting is the word they're sending through. Right? They're not filling in blanks and then leaving parts. It's as if they're gently being dropped down on top of this other situation. And subtly, the quantum information is shifting very subtly, okay? And they say this is what is indeed taking place, dear souls. Okay, so again, two different ways they've given us to look at this. But to reiterate how they presented this to us in the beginning. They're saying these realities are separating. It feels as if a reality is being dropped on top of an older model of a reality, right? That's how the shift is occurring, very gently, very subtly. And so it may indeed be creating these, they call them hiccups, right? So little things just happen, go wrong for apparently no reason. Just things like everything is basically okay. And you see the shift happening. You see with your third eye what is coming. You feel this already intuitively. You're already seeing the evidence of this in your physical reality. So all of those things are happening right? It's going to feel like that. But the ultimate end result here, if you can think of it as an end result, we know there is no end. We will continue to expand and continue to evolve. But this rapid evolution feels like it is a means to some sort of an end, okay? A crescendo. And so the ultimate crescendo are the two realities completely separating, and you will be experiencing something different than others. So this is, again, demonstrated many different ways through different channels, including yourselves. You may be being given these visions or this sight, this claircognizance, a different way, seeing two physical worlds pull apart. And indeed, it can also be perceived that way as well. But this reality, the way that it works, is that you are still able to create and able to access. But I am getting just now coming through, once you cross a certain threshold, which many of you have already crossed, so many of you have already crossed, you will no longer be able to access certain points in your previous experience. This timeline has completely been rewritten. This is what we wish to impress upon you now. We are the Arcturian Council. We love you. End transmission. All right. Love you so much, soul family. Talk to you again very, very soon. Namaste.